Looks like we got some eBay headers in the mail today. Let's get them open. These are only $99. So, not too bad. I think some people have had issues with the proper plug wire. But, I think we're going to be okay here. These are pretty nice. I mean, the longevity of them is hard to tell. And these are actually turbo manifolds. Pretty good thickness everywhere, good weld. So, pretty happy with them, especially for 99 bucks. I'm going to go ahead and test fit them here and see how they fit. I'm going to try them 2 different ways and see which way is going to work the best. Alright, so this is obviously the obvious choice. These are meant to go forward, but they also work backwards because LS is working anyway. So let me change this around and see what it looks like the other way. Alright, now that looks a lot cooler. Most of these perimeter cars and asphalt cars usually had crossover headers anyway, so that kind of flows with the look of them. But a couple issues. The steering brace that I made, it's easily modified, but it's just super close. And then the other obvious issue would be the coils. So I don't think I'm going to run this way, even though it does look way cooler. I think I'll just flip them upside down and run them out the back. I don't really want to spend the money relocating the coils and making them harder to get to. Like, if I can mount them somewhere like here, that'd be a little better. But that one's just pointed straight to it, so I don't think that's going to work. They do look really cool that way, but like I said, I just don't want to spend the extra money, and I'd really like to be able to drive this to LS Fest. So there's a lot of things I'm going to be doing that are budget oriented, but can be upgraded later on down the line. Like, I really want to do a cam in it, but I don't think I'm going to do that yet. It's just all about getting the car together and functional as a car, which I have a long way to go. But I'm getting there. So keep liking the videos, keep watching them, and let's go to LS Fest.